Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to consider another table read write instruction, and this time we will be discussing table read post decrement option. So if we see the values of table pointer, it is 000201. They are stored in individual upper, higher, and lower portion of table pointer. So if you see the complete value, which is 0201 hex, that means table pointer is currently pointing to this address. This is pointing to this address 02 uh, 000201 hex, and its value is what? F2 hex. So what is going to happen if one is going to use this instruction? Let's say one is writing table read static minus this sign is coming later static after the static sign. That means it is a post decrement option, and table pointer is pointing to this address. That means this address will be fetched first, or this address content will be fetched first into the uh, tablet register. So what is going to happen? This value will be fetched in tablet register. So tablet register will become what? F2 hex, or its content will become F2 hex. And what is going to happen then? The address of the value, or the value of the table pointer, will be decremented. That means table pointer lower byte will be decremented by 1. So it is 1, it will become what? 00 hex. So it will no more point to this address, rather it will be pointing to the next the previous address, or one address before than this address will be pointed. Let me highlight it again. So now this address is pointing. So whenever you will use the next time table read instruction, this address will be read. That means 54 hex will be read into tablet register if you are going to read table next time. I hope you have understand this table read decrement post decrement instruction. Still, if you have any confusion or query regarding this instruction, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.